Let's talk about our next topic, security zone. Security zone in a firewall line identifies the trustworthiness of a network. All firewall vendors are going to call the security zone something slightly different. For the trusted network side, we often call the inside or internal network or LAN network or LAN zone. For untrusted network, we typically call this network outside or public network or internet or WAN zone. Now we can have a more than just two network here, trusted and untrusted. We actually have these other networks that follow some placed in between, and these are called DMZ network, demilitarized zone network, or perimeter network, which oftenly completely trusted or not completely untrusted. They are some placed in middle. There are some specific module in this course, so that will talk about the DMZ networks and why we use them. About the security policy. Security zone all allow us then to develop a security policy. For example, first we have to create a zone and then we can apply on security policy on that zone. So it's allow us then create some rule to determine how traffic should be flow from one zone to another zone. So we are going to identify the flow of traffic either from trusted to untrusted or untrusted to trusted. We are going to take the traffic flow and we are going to apply permit or deny rules for to the flow, so that the traffic that we want allow through our device flow through the device, and the traffic that we don't want to flow through the device gets blocked. We can apply other rules to traffic as well, as like network address translation, which we will talk about in next second module of this course. Also difficulty for the FTP traffic or any .3 traffic, we have to apply some rules for that. So we talk about how we apply those rules in separate module. We are going to discuss. So right now we have security zones and we use those security zones to apply a security policy.